Practice set 8.3. First question is what? First question is that measure of opposite angles of parallelogram are this and this. So opposite angles of parallelogram, the two angles are there, both are the opposite angles. Find the measure of its each angles. Each angles का आपको मेजरमेंट बताना है क्या होगा. ओके तो देखिए आपका क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पे मेजर ऑफ ऑपोजिट एंगल्स ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम आर गिवन. देखिए यू मेक जस्ट ए पैरेललोग्राम एनी ऑफ आर्बिट्रेरी ऐसे जस्ट फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है आपका. यू मेक आर्बिट्रेरी पैरेललोग्राम. ओके just you draw a parallelogram. Okay, A, B, C, D. Clear? This is a parallelogram. Now its opposite angles are what is this is what 3x minus 2 degree, and this is what 50 minus x degree. Okay, so these are the measurement of opposite angles. Now you have to find out the measure of its each angle. तो measure of its each angle you have to find out. That will be what? तो देखिए this is parallelogram. So what will be solution? Since ABCD is a parallelogram, as is a parallelogram. Okay, therefore you know opposite sides, opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. Okay, therefore opposite angles are equal. So what should be there? Angle A is equal to angle C. Therefore what will be there? This angle equal to this angle. So 3x minus 2 is equal to 50 minus x. Clear? So 3x minus 2 is equal to 50 minus x. Therefore 3x plus x is equal to 50 plus 2. Therefore 4x is equal to 52. Therefore x is equal to 52 upon 4. Clear? So 4 1s are 4 and this 13. So therefore x is equal to how much? 13 degree. Clear? So you got x is equal to 13 degree. Now you have to find out angle M, A and angle C. Clear? So now angle A is equal to angle C, and angle C is how much? 3x minus 2 degree. Since both angles are same, so if you put in value 3x minus 2, 50 minus x, both will be give same result. So 3x minus 2 is equal to 3 into, you put the value of x. Value of x is what? 13 degree. So 3 into 13 degree minus 2 is equal to 39 degree minus 2 degree is equal to what? 37 degree. Clear? Is equal to 37 degree. So you got the angles A and C. What you have to find out? Measure of its each angles you have to find out. Okay, so clearly two angles you got. Now you have to find out remaining angle. Now you come to, since AB and CD both are parallels and AD is transversal line, therefore what is there? Since AB parallel to CD. Clear? AB parallel to CD, and AD is transversal line, and AD is transversal line. Clear? So AD is transversal line. Therefore, what should be there? And AD is transversal line. Therefore, this angle plus this angle, both sum should be 180 degree. Sum of both the angles should be 180 degree. Why? Because they both are parallel lines. This is transversal line. So sum of these two angles should be 180 degree, because these are internal angles. Okay. So internal angles, sum of internal angles should be 180 degree. So therefore angle A plus angle D. Therefore angle A plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. Clear? How it happens? Internal angles. Clear? Internal angles are supplementary. Clear? So therefore angle A plus angle so 1 second, I am making here line. Okay, so angle A plus angle D is equal to 180 degree, and here angle is 3x minus 2 degree, and angle D is this angle D. You have to find out. So what will be there? Therefore angle A is how much? 3x minus 2 degree. So 3x minus 2 degree, that you got 3x minus 2 degree, that is what you got 37 degree. Clear? So angle A you got 37 degree. So in place of angle A you write 37 degree plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. Therefore angle D is equal to what? 180 degree minus 37 degree. So angle D is equal to how much? 180 minus 37, that is how much? 180 degree minus 37 degree. So you got 143 degree. Clear? So angle D you got 143 degree. Okay. Now this is 143 degree. Then this its opposite angle B, that should also be 143 degree. Okay. So now since angle B is equal to angle D. Clear? Why? These are opposite angles of parallelogram. Therefore angle B is equal to angle D. Okay. So therefore angle B is how much? Angle D is 143 degree. So angle B is equal to what? 140 degree. Therefore angle B is equal to angle D is equal to 143 degree. Clear? So you got this answer. Answer is what? 37 degree, comma 143 degree, comma 37 degree and 143 degree. These are the final answers, clear, of this parallelogram. All the angles are there, clear. Now come to second sum. So what is the second sum? I am here solving. Second sum is there, referring to the given figure of a parallelogram. This is also parallelogram related question. So referring to the given parallelogram figure, then write the answer of the questions given below. Okay, so few questions are given and you have to solve that questions. Means you have to give the, means you have to tell the lengths or angles whatever they asking, clear. So whatever they asking, you have to just tell that on basis of that parallelogram. So 1 second, I am just making line. This is very very important. By the way, I forgot, but now I am completing. Okay, just 1 second, give me 1 second. Now, so come to here, second sum. Okay, so for that second sum, there the parallelogram is given ABC. Suppose that this parallelogram is given this is parallelogram, clearly given it is parallelogram. Suppose that this parallelogram is there, XY WZ parallelogram. I am making its diagonal also. Okay, I am making its diagonal also. Here is O. Now if length of WZ is equal to 4.5 centimeter, WZ, this is what, 4.5 centimeter, 4.5 centimeter. So first question is there. Then XY is equal to how much? This is given 4.5. Okay, then XY they asking, same as they asking few questions. Okay, so first what I am saying, WZ is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Then they asking what is XY. XY is equal to what? So since you know solution, opposite sides of parallelogram are congruent. Okay, so what, XY is equal to what, WZ, clear. How? Since opposite sides of parallelogram are equal, clear. So XY is equal to WZ, therefore XY is equal to WZ is how much, 4.5, clear. So that is 4.5 centimeter. So first question you are completed. So this is the final answer. Now come to second one. Second one is what? They asking what? YZ is equal to 8 point. YZ is equal to what? 8.2. So since YZ is equal to 8.2 centimeter, so they asking XW is equal to what? XW, YZ is equal to this given, XW they asking. Okay, same as how you solve first sum. तो YZ का ऑपोजिट WX है या नहीं? हाँ, opposite of yz is wx. तो since, so what will be solution? Since wx is equal to yz, therefore wx is equal to yz, therefore wx is equal to what? 8.2. Clear? So wx is equal to 8.2. So what? Opposite sides. Region is what? Opposite sides of same region. Parallelogram. Clear? So therefore, so wx is equal to 8.2 centimeter. So second question also completed. Now you come to, therefore wx is equal to yz is equal to 8.2 centimeter. Now come to third sum. Third sum is what? That is OX is equal to 2.5 centimeter. OX they have written what? 2.5 centimeter. Then OZ they asking. OX is given, OZ they asking. Clear? So what I want to say, you know, parallelogram, diagonals of parallelogram bisect to each other. So these are bisected. So OX and OZ both being equal means this diagonal will bisect to this diagonal and this diagonal will bisect to this diagonal. Means anyhow, अगर आप सोचेंगे, ज़्यादा डीप में मत जाइए, सिंपली आप सोचेंगे दिस इक्वल टू दिस एंड दिस इक्वल टू दिस. ओके, तो third question, if you talking about OX is given 2.5, so OZ they asking, so what will be there? OX is equal to OZ. How? Since diagonals bisect to each other. Clear? Okay, so therefore what will be there? OX they asking na, OX was 2.5 centimeter, so therefore OX is equal to OZ is equal to 2.5 centimeter. What they asking? Therefore OZ is equal to 2.5 centimeter. Clear? Now come to फोर्थ सम. फोर्थ सम कितना हो जाएगा आपका? यू हैव टू चेक अबाउट द फोर्थ सम. फोर्थ सम इज व्हाट? WO is equal to, WO is given, fourth sum WO is equal to 3.3 centimeter. Okay, then WI is equal to what? They asking. Okay, so WO is equal to 3.3 centimeter. Then WI they asking. This WO is equal to 3.3 centimeter. They asking what? WY. Okay, so you know कि the diagonal being bisected, तो means WO is half of the WI. Clear ना? WO should be half of the WI. So now since diagonals being bisected, therefore since diagonals being bisected, okay, therefore क्या हो जाएगा, WO इज इक्वल टू हाफ ऑफ WY, therefore WO is out 3.3 is equal to WY half of WY, so therefore WY is equal to 3.3 into 2, so therefore WY is equal to 6.6 centimeter. Clear? So this will be this fourth completed, fourth also being completed. Clear? So fourth question completed. Now you come to fifth part. Fifth part is what? There is fifth part, that what they asking, if angle WYZY, angle WZY, angle WZY means this angle is equal to 120 degree, then angle WXY is equal to how much, and angle XWZ is equal to how much, means this angle will be how much and this angle will be how much, they asking. You understood? So now come to fifth part. What will be fifth part? Fifth part solution, that is, since angle since angle WZY is equal to 120 degree, okay, therefore अभी आप बताइए इस एंगल का, since you know in parallelogram opposite angles being equal, so this angle is 120 degree, so this angle should also be 120 degree, यानी WXY should also be 120 degree. So therefore angle WZY is equal to angle WXY is equal to what? 120 degree. Why? Because opposite angles of parallelograms. Clear? So this is what? 120 degree. Clear ना? तो this angle is equal to this angle 120 degree. Now you come to, तो ये आपका एंगल आ गया. Now you have to find out this angle. So as you know, sum of the all angles being 360 degree. Okay. So what will be there? Since angle W plus angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z is equal to 360 degree. Okay. Angles of parallelogram. ओके, तो कोई भी पैरेललोग्राम हो, क्वाड्रिलेटरल, एनी क्वाड्रिलेटरल, सो सम ऑफ ऑल एंगल्स शुड बी व्हाट? 360 डिग्री. सो देयरफॉर एंगल W इज हाउ मच? यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट. प्लस एंगल X इज हाउ मच? यू कैलकुलेटेड. एंगल X इज व्हाट? 120 डिग्री. प्लस एंगल Y. एंगल Y इज व्हाट? प्लस एंगल Y plus Angle Z is how much? That was given 120 degree. 120 degree is equal to 360 degree. Therefore, angle W plus 120 degree plus angle Y, you can write what? Angle Y and angle W both are same na. So in place of angle Y you can write angle W plus angle W plus 120 degree is equal to 360 degree. Clear? Therefore W plus W, so 2 angle W plus 120 degree plus 120, 240 degree is equal to 360 degree. Therefore you taking 2 common, so what you getting? Angle W plus 120 degree is equal to 360 degree. I have taken 2 common from here. Okay, so angle W, 2W angle W divided by 2, common means division, nothing else. Okay, so W plus 240 divided by 2, so you getting 120 is equal to 360 degree. Therefore angle W plus 120 degree is equal to 2 will coming this side. Here is multiplication, it will coming, so it will be division. 360 degree divided by 2, so you getting what? 180 degree. Clear? So W plus 120 is equal to 180 degree. Therefore W is equal to what? Here is what? 180 degree. So 180 minus 120 degree is equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree. Therefore W is equal to 120 minus 180 minus 120, that is what? 60 degree. Clear? So angle W is equal to angle W is equal to 60 degree. And you know angle W and angle Y both are same. Both are same. So angle W and angle Y both are same. So angle Y also be 60 degree. But angle W is equal to angle Y. Okay, opposite angles. Opposite angles. Opposite angles. Clear? So therefore what will be there? Angle W is equal to angle Y is equal to 60 degree. Clear? So you got all the angles. So W Y and Y both are you getting 60 degree. और बाकी आपका एंगल X and एंगल Z you getting what? 120 degree. So answer is what? आंसर फोर्थ आपका क्या हो गया? सॉरी फिफ्थ क्या हो गया आपका? एक्स वाई इक्वल टू 4.5 centimeter. Okay, if you taking all the measurements, FW is equal to what? 8.2 centimeter. OZ is equal to 2.5 centimeter. Clear? And W Y is equal to 6.6 centimeter. Angle W X Y is equal to 120 degree. Angle X W Z is equal to 60 degree. So these are what? Final answer. Clear? So this आपका completed. Okay. Now you have to third question. Third question, you have to construct a parallel